All right, let's jump right into the Quran. We're going to solve a puzzle hidden in two really interesting words.
Okay, our investigation starts right here with verse 451. And the puzzle? It's these words, Jibt and Taghut.
So, the traditional view is idols or sorcery. But what if the Quran itself tells us something different? Let's start with Jibt. Now, what's fascinating is how rarely you actually find this word.
Believe it or not, it shows up just one time. So that single context, it's everything.
And you see, the context isn't about physical idols. It's actually about corrupting the text itself.
So Jibt seems to mean these baseless myths or traditions that get put above God's actual guidance.
Okay, on to clue number 2, Taghut. This one really helps build our case.
Unlike Jibrat, this one appears 8 times. And that repetition, it reveals a really clear pattern.
You see here, rejecting Taghut is step 1 to trusting in God. It's a fundamental choice you have to make.
And this verse is huge. People are turning to Taghut for judgment instead of the revelation itself. The very root of the word means to transgress or exceed limits. That's a massive clue. So Taghut isn't a thing, but any authority or system that goes way beyond its proper bounds.
Okay, we've got our clues. Let's go back to that first verse and see what it looks like now.
So instead of idols, it's about trusting baseless myths and these transgressive, illegitimate authorities. Look at the difference. The focus shifts from objects you worship to entire corrupt systems of belief. Okay, so why does all this matter? Well, this is where it gets incredibly relevant for us today.
See, the warning is for anyone given a portion of the book. That's a timeless message for any community.
It's a dangerous cycle. You trust corrupted systems, submit to false authorities, and then call it all good. So the verse isn't really about them. It's asking us, will you trust the book or the systems built around it?